In this video, we'll take a quick look at how to use section views within Shaper 3D. Section view is very useful for showing us any internal objects within our design. Let's dive in. Go to the left view by tapping on the orientation cube. Tap on the Section View button located at the bottom right corner. Notice how the app cut your body in half according to your currently active left plane. Section View gives you an opportunity to sketch within bodies. Turn off Section View by tapping on its icon again. You can create a section view anywhere where your grid is active. Tap on Add/Construction Plane and then tap on the gear icon again to select from the various ways you can create a construction plane. Once you've done that, tap on it with your finger to activate the grid. Turn on Section View and navigate back to 3D to see the results. As you can see, we have temporarily cut our body so we can model or look inside. Tap on Section View again to exit. Delete the plane and let's move on to the next part, creating the main shaft.